You, my dear students, let's start section 16.2, air quality. First of all, we should know what the meaning of air quality. Air quality means how clean or polluted the air is. What might affect the air quality? Of course, the main cause of changing the air quality is the fossil fuel emission. Fossil fuel emissions affect the biosphere, not only the air but all the biosphere. There are some pollutants that are accumulated in air due to combustion of fossil fuel or burning of fossil fuel. Those pollutants are undesirable. The undesirable pollutants will affect not only air, but air, water, or soil. One of the types of air pollution is the formation of smog, and actually this smog is caused by the vehicle exhaust due to combustion of fossil fuel or fossil fuel emissions. So sunlight will interact with the fossil fuel emissions or vehicle exhaust plus ground level ozone. Ground level ozone actually is caused also by vehicle exhaust emissions plus sunlight will cause the formation of ground level ozone. Ozone is good if it's in the stratosphere layer, but if it's in the ground layer, ozone will be harmful to the health. The existence of ground level ozone will lead to interaction between the sunlight and vehicle exhaust again plus ground level ozone to form the smog. And this smog is one of the types of air pollution, which also affects the human health. Second type of pollution is acid rain, and acid rain also is caused by fossil fuel emissions. Acid rain is produced when the pollutants in the water cycle cause rain pH to drop. While the rain will interact with some compounds that are released during the combustion of fossil fuel to form acids. Those acids will lead to the decrease in the pH of the rain. What the meaning of decreasing pH means increasing acidity. The normal rain should be 5.6, but due to vehicle exhaust emissions, the acid rain pH is 4.6. What will happen if this acid rain falls on soil? This will cause acidic soil, which will affect the life of plants and trees. What if this low pH acid rain falls on lakes or streams? This will affect the marine and aquatic organisms. Can air pollution affect Earth's biosphere? All the biosphere? Yes, of course. How? They found that if the levels of atmospheric carbon dioxide rise, this will lead to change in the temperature. And they found that high levels of carbon dioxide are typical of Earth's warmer periods. So, look here at this graph. They found that as the level of carbon dioxide, this red curve, level of carbon dioxide increases, also the average temperature increases. If it decreases, the average temperature decreases, and so on. They are moving aligned with each other. What the cause of that? What the effect of carbon dioxide in increasing the temperature? Actually, carbon dioxide is called greenhouse gas. It causes greenhouse effect. What the meaning of the greenhouse effect? Greenhouse effect slows the release of energy from Earth's atmosphere. It prevents the escaping of energy outside from the Earth's atmosphere to the space out. Why? Due to greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide. Normally, the sunlight penetrates the Earth's atmosphere. What prevents the irradiated rays to escape out? The greenhouse gases. And also they found that greenhouse gas molecules release infrared radiation, and they cause re-radiation of heat energy. Increasing in the level of carbon dioxide increases the greenhouse effect, which in turn caused global warming. What's the meaning of global warming? It refers to the trend of increasing the global temperature, the average global temperature. What do you think the effect of increasing the average global temperature? Of course, number one, melting of ice caps, polar ice caps, melting of glaciers, which in turn will increase the water level in some areas, floods in others, plus drought in some areas that are far from any water bodies, which in turn will affect the life of plants and animals.